So I'm here at Late Model Performance with Alec, the owner, and we are testing to see how much horsepower this 125,000 mile 2004 Jaguar XJR still has. So, I know how most dynos work, but you're telling me that this is a loaded dyno. Can you tell me what that means?
Yeah, so it's a loaded Dyno Jet 224. So what that means is it's got an eddy brake in it, and it's magnetic, and it holds back the roller, so it's like realistic and on the road. Like, so you got a supercharged application. It's not going to build as much boost typically on the dynos on the street. More air is going in it, different load, all that good stuff. So you can transmission tune on this thing and get everything. Wow. So typically they read a little less though. The reason why is because it's more force, more drag.
So what's the most amount of horsepower that you've had on this dyno?
On this dyno, like 1450.
1450?
Yeah.
What does this thing behind me make?
That should actually make about 1400. Turn down on low boost and make 1066.
Oh my gosh. All right guys, so we are at Late Model Performance and we have Mark's Firebird sitting on the dyno, and he's gonna take a guess at how much power he's gonna make.
I'm gonna be conservative and say 330.
Okay, 330 to wheel, all right. Well, that's pretty interesting because I'm now curious because I think my Jag is gonna make 325 to the wheel.
Ooh, so you want a little wager?
I think we should start a wager.
20 bucks?
20 bucks it is. Deal. All righty. So we just finished getting Mark's Firebird on the dyno, and it dynoed at 292, which means that as long as I make over 300, I win this $20 bet.
Room for improvement.
So Mark's already getting his $20 ready because he's that confident that the Jag is going to retain some of its buff horses from the factory. So we're just finishing up with the dyno, and I made 316 wheel, so I was 10 horsepower off my original, but I beat this guy and he owes me 20 bucks.
24 horsepower. It's almost $1 per horse. So
This is the best money I ever made.
I'll give you 5.
Yeah? I'll take it, man.
Double or nothing after the upgrades.
Huh, deal.
Got it.
See you guys.